Hey everyone! Welcome back to Shadu Tech Hub. Today, we are checking out an affordable and super practical wireless combo, the A4 Tech 3300N wireless keyboard and mouse set. If you're looking for a stylish, compact, and reliable keyboard and mouse combo for your home, office, or even casual gaming, then stay tuned, because in this video, we'll talk about its design, features, performance, and whether it's worth buying in 2025. Let's start with the design. The A4 Tech 3300N comes with a slim and lightweight keyboard that feels really premium for its price. The keys are laser inscribed and slightly curved for better typing comfort. It's a mini-size layout, which saves a lot of desk space, perfect if you're using a laptop setup or a small workspace. The mouse has a simple yet ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand, even during long hours of use. Both devices come in a matte finish that looks clean and modern. The combo uses 2.4 GHz wireless technology, giving you a stable connection up to around 10 to 15 meters. It connects through a tiny USB nano receiver, plug it into your PC or laptop, and you're instantly ready to go. No driver installation, no setup hassle. It's truly plug and play, and it works great with Windows, Mac, and even smart TVs that support USB input. Typing on this keyboard feels smooth and responsive. The low-profile keys make it almost silent, which is great for office use or late-night work. You also get 7 multimedia shortcut keys for quick access to volume, music, and internet functions. The mouse is a 1000 dpi optical mouse, which offers good precision for daily tasks and light gaming. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or doing casual design work, it performs efficiently without lag or dropouts. Plus, both the keyboard and mouse include an auto power saving feature, which helps extend battery life. Definitely a nice touch. Each device uses a single battery, and thanks to A4 Tech's power-efficient design, you can expect several months of battery life. When not in use, the devices automatically go into sleep mode to save energy. You just move the mouse or press any key, and they instantly wake up. Compact and space-saving design. Comfortable and quiet typing. Stable 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Long battery life with auto sleep mode. Plug and play setup. Great value for money. Overall, the A4 Tech 3300N wireless combo is a solid choice if you want a budget-friendly, reliable, and stylish wireless setup. It's perfect for office work, students, and anyone who prefers a clean, cable-free desk setup. If you're not into fancy RGB or high-end gaming gear, this combo is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more tech reviews here.